Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you practical tips and advice for navigating the complexities of everyday life. Today, we have an important topic to discuss for those starting a new job. Filling out the W-4 form, a step-by-step guide for easy completion. Before we dive into the details, let's first understand the purpose of the W-4 form. The W-4 form, also known as the Employee's Withholding Certificate, is a document that determines the amount of federal income tax that will be withheld from your paycheck. Filling it out accurately ensures that you're paying the right amount of taxes throughout the year. This is especially important as it can affect your financial planning and budgeting. Now, let's move on to the steps for its completion. Step 1. Understand the purpose of the W-4 form. The first step is all about understanding the purpose of the W-4 form. This form allows your employer to determine the correct amount of federal income tax to withhold from your wages. By completing it accurately, you can avoid overpaying or underpaying taxes, which can have significant implications for your overall financial well-being. Take the time to familiarize yourself with the form and its importance. Step 2. Gather the required information. This includes your Social Security number, filing status, and any additional deductions or credits you may qualify for. It's essential to have these details ready as it streamlines the process and ensures that you have all the necessary information at hand. Step 3. Provide your personal information. Here, you provide your full name, address, Social Security number, and filing status. This information is crucial for accurately identifying and tracking your tax obligations. Your filing status plays a significant role in determining your tax liabilities and benefits. Therefore, it's important to choose the status that best applies to your situation. Step 4. Choose the correct filing status. Selecting the correct filing status affects the tax rate and deductions applied to your income. Each filing status has its own set of rules and implications, so it's important to understand the differences and choose the one that accurately reflects your circumstances. Making the right selection will ensure that you're maximizing your tax benefits. Step 5. Address multiple jobs or a working spouse and calculate the appropriate withholding. This step helps you determine the appropriate withholding amount when there are multiple sources of income in your household. Having multiple jobs or a working spouse can complicate your tax situation, but don't worry, we're here to help. The IRS provides resources such as the Multiple Jobs Worksheet or the online withholding calculator to assist you in calculating the correct withholding. These tools take into account the specific details of your situation and ensure that the correct amount of tax is withheld from each paycheck. Step 6. Indicate the number of dependents for the child tax credit. If you have dependents, it's important to indicate the number of qualifying children or other dependents you have. This information is used to calculate the child tax credit, which can help reduce your overall tax liability. It's a valuable credit that can make a significant difference in the amount you owe or the refund you receive. So, be sure to provide accurate information regarding your dependents. Step 7. Consider other adjustments and credits. While filling out the W-4 form, you have the opportunity to specify any additional deductions or credits that apply to your situation. These adjustments can help reduce your overall taxable income, resulting in lower tax obligations or potentially increasing your refund. Step 8. Evaluate the need for additional withholding for non-salaried income. If you anticipate earning income from freelance work, investments, or other sources not subject to regular withholding, you may need to request additional withholding on your W-4 form. This will help ensure that enough taxes are withheld to cover your tax liability on this additional income. By doing so, you can avoid facing a significant tax bill when it comes time to file your tax return. Step 9. Review and accurately submit the form, ensuring all information is correct. Finally, it's essential to thoroughly review your completed W-4 form before submitting it to your employer. Check all the sections and information for accuracy, including your personal details, filing status, dependents, adjustments, and any additional withholding requests. Even a small error or omission can have consequences, so take the time to double-check everything. Once you're confident that all the information is correct, submit the form to your employer as instructed. Completing the W-4 form accurately and thoroughly is vital for ensuring that the correct amount of federal income tax is withheld from your paycheck. It's also essential to remember that your personal or financial situation may change over time. Whenever such changes occur, be proactive and update your W-4 form accordingly to avoid any potential tax-related complications. Remember, the W-4 form is not a one-time task. Whenever your personal or financial situation changes, take the initiative to update your form accordingly. By doing so, you can avoid any potential tax-related complications and ensure that your tax withholding aligns with your circumstances. We hope this step-by-step guide has provided you with the confidence and knowledge to navigate the process of filling out the W-4 form. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.